Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Elemental Bubba Bubbaphant. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the nose. Let's start with a curve up and back down. Then from the right side, let's draw a small curve down, stopping here. And for the left side, let's draw a wavy line down and over like this. Then for the bottom, let's curve it out and back in. And then let's add a circle inside. And that's it for the trunk. Now let's move up and let's add the eyes. On top, let's draw two curves going up. Then a wavy line up and out on top of each eye. Now underneath, we're going to curve it out and then back in. And then lastly, for the eyes, let's draw a large oval inside each one. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start on the sides of the trunk and let's draw a curve going out and up. Then at both ends, let's add a small curve. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve on top of each side of the mouth. And then let's curve it down, meeting at the center for the chin. Next, let's hop up to the top and let's draw a curve up and then bring it down on both sides. And now that we have the shape of the head, let's move out and draw the ears. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw a curve up and back down. And the same on the right side. Then for the bottom, let's draw another curve out and back in. And now let's hop inside each of the ears and let's draw another shape in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start by drawing two curves down and out. Then let's curve it out and bring it all the way down. Now let's move inside the body and draw some details, starting with the light bulb. Let's draw a curve inside near the top. Then for the bottom, let's curve it down on both sides. And then close it off with a curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw two curves at the bottom here. And then on top of these curves, let's draw two lines up. And then let's draw two bumps going up, forming a sort of heart shape. And that's it for the light bulb. Now let's move down and let's draw 2 curves across the body. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and draw the arms. Let's start next to the neck and let's draw a curve out and angle it down. And then 2 more bent lines underneath. Now let's close off the end of each arm with a curve across. And then let's hop inside and let's draw another curve. Next on the body, let's add the tail. On the right side, let's draw 2 curves going out and up. And then close it off at the end. Now for the end of the tail, let's draw a curve up and back down. Then a wavy line up and curve it back down. And then 1 more curve underneath to close it off. And that's it for the tail. Now let's move down and finish the bottom. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 bumps going out like this. Then a set of larger curves. And then 2 more going down. And then close off the bottom with a line across. Now top out and let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then a curve underneath to close it off. Now let's move down and let's draw a smaller one underneath like this. And that's it for Elemental Bubba Bubbaphant. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!